You're right. Broken? F***. I'll do that, bro. Do you reckon your hand's broken?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Morning. Morning. Good morning. Morning.
I think this is rather swag. What's up, legends? We're back at Harcourt, and on this one hopefully we'll get a few laps of track 2, which is one of the best jump trails in Victoria. Now that's a bold statement, so let's get our shit sorted and get up there.
Yeah, should we do it?
Yeah. Right, so we'll start with the hard techie trail, track 8, and then we'll go to the northern trails, track 2. This is probably the hardest climb here. Oh, they're dropping like flies.
You. Oh no!
Oh shit!
Good. Oh, that's not the way.
You go down here. Sell that climbing just for this rock roll. Can you roll that?
Not really.
Oh. Yeah, dude. Oh, Roots is coming in hot. Woo! Yeah, dude. Nice one. Whose idea was this?
No chance.
Tough. I feel like track 8 is the hardest track in Harcourt. Technical, steep and brutal. And the descent is also technical, steep and brutal, with lots of tricky sections to session along the way down, starting with this massive granite rock roll. Is he going off that? Yeah. Oh my god.
Fuck, he's gonna die.
Yes, dude. Woo! Oh, that was pretty pathetic. Oh. Oh, that was the wrong one.
Good? Yeah.
That little bit's good, eh?
Yeah, I like it. It's like a couple of steps.
Oh, this is a bit scary.
Really?
Yeah, the chute.
I can't remember this. This is at the end of every track at Harcourt we go.
You go, dude. I'll follow you.
I can't remember this chute. You get like 2 hours.
Let's do. Oh, f***ed up. Oh shit, sorry dude, sorry. Oh, oh yes. Oh, oh my god. Oh dude. Woohoo! Did that look sketchy as?
Yeah.
Nice one. Yes! Blind when you come up to it. He's coming. Nice. Another feature. Oh, Dave's just going for it. Oh, there's another drop there. Did you shoulder all right?
Yeah, I just low sided it. It wasn't bad.
Things are shit running.
Yeah.
Oh, easy. Oh, yes, dude. Yes, dude. Oh, the timing was definitely out. Yes. Yeah, dude. Ooh. Ooh. I thought you had it. I was like, you got it. Yeah. You right, mate?
Yeah, right. Bit of a stinger.
Do you reckon your hand's broken?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's you.
It'll just be sore for a while.
Compared to that.
Yeah, you might have
Something
fractured.
going on
Yeah,
there.
you might have sunken it.
It looks like a little bit broken back there, yeah.
Yeah, that's alright. We'll make it through this ride.
That's just a Lee Worry Saturday night, that. Oh, track 8-1, Stevie Nunn. Oh, that was good. Survived. Nice one, bro.
It's a good ride.
I'll punch the other hand.
Yeah.
Well, let's go chuck some ice on it. Track 2. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I recognise the bike.
I didn't know what the other good tracks were until we did that day. I thought we were just here to ride track 2 all day, and you're like, no, we're running every track. I'm like, oh.
Yeah,
And then it was actually good.
it was good, eh? The fan hates of cool shit.
Should we do it?
Yeah,
You want to go first?
I'll follow you, dude. I want to see you do that jump out of that berm. Oh, nice. Woo! Oh my God. That was so close to crashing. And he's gone. Oh dude, I nearly ate shit. I think it's a little rock or something and you...
Oh, yeah.
And I just didn't pop, I hit it with speed, like case it, and I was like...
I'll sketch it the whole way down.
Yeah, same. Yeah, dude. Yes, dude. Yeah, dude. god! Yeah, dude. Boy!